Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an app with Apple. Start by downloading Xcode from the Mac App Store. Once the download completes, open Xcode. Select Create a new Xcode project. Choose the app template under the iOS tab. Click Next. Enter your project name and organization details. Select the appropriate interface and lifecycle options, then click Next. Choose a location on your Mac to save the project. Click Create to set up your new app. In the Project Navigator, open the main.storyboard. Drag and drop a label from the object library to your main view. Double-click the label to edit its text. Adjust the font style and size in the right panel. Next, add a button from the object library below the label. Double-click the button to change its title. Control-drag from the button to your viewcontroller.swift file to create an action. Name the action as per your functionality and click Connect. In the action method, write code to update the label when the button is clicked. Return to the storyboard to position your label and button. Use the Align tool to center them on the view. Once the layout is complete, build your app by clicking the play button in the top left. Select a simulator or your connected device for testing. After the app builds successfully, the simulator will launch, displaying your app. Test the button functionality to ensure the label updates as expected. To finalize, create an App Store Connect account for publishing. Follow the guidelines to submit your app for review. Congratulations, you've successfully built a simple iOS app with Apple. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.